Hey smart health and fitness family, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the question on many fitness enthusiasts' minds. What happens to your body when you do 100 burpees every day? You might be thinking, that sounds intense. Well, stick around because we're about to dive into the benefits, challenges, and real effects of this full-body workout. Burpees are one of the most challenging exercises out there. They engage almost every muscle group, from your legs to your core to your arms. But if you commit to doing 100 every day, how will it affect your body? Let's break it down. First up, doing 100 burpees a day will seriously build your full body strength. Burpees work your legs, glutes, core, chest, and shoulders. Each rep requires you to squat, jump, and press your body weight, which means all those muscle groups get a solid workout. Over time, you'll see significant gains in overall strength. Proper form is crucial to prevent injury. Keep your back straight, don't let your knees cave in, and always land softly when jumping. Next up, your cardiovascular endurance will improve. Doing 100 burpees a day is an intense, heart-pumping exercise. It keeps your heart rate elevated for an extended period, boosting your stamina and cardiovascular health. As you continue, you'll notice you can push yourself longer without feeling as winded. This kind of high-intensity workout helps improve your cardiovascular system, which is key to better overall health and fitness. One of the most exciting things about burpees is the fat-burning effect. They're a high-calorie burning exercise, and when combined with proper nutrition, doing 100 burpees daily can help you burn fat, especially around the midsection. Your body will also begin to tone up as you lose fat and build muscle. Remember, consistency is key. It's not just about doing the exercise, it's also about what you eat and your overall lifestyle. Doing 100 burpees every day will definitely test your mental toughness. Burpees are challenging, and committing to 100 a day will require discipline, determination, and perseverance. Over time, this can help you build mental resilience that translates into other areas of your life. Each day, as you push through the discomfort and fatigue, you'll get better at overcoming challenges in all aspects of life. Now, while there are plenty of benefits, doing 100 burpees a day isn't without its challenges. The main concern is the risk of overuse injuries. Doing the same high-impact movement every day without enough rest can lead to strain on your joints, especially your knees and wrists. Make sure you're listening to your body. If you start feeling pain, take a break and give your body time to recover. To make this challenge sustainable, here are a few tips. Rest and recovery. Don't skip your rest days. Your muscles need time to recover, and overdoing it can lead to injury. Form over speed. Focus on perfecting your form rather than rushing through the reps. Cross-training. Mix things up with other exercises to give certain muscle groups a break and prevent burnout. So what happens to your body when you do 100 burpees every day? You'll get stronger, improve your cardiovascular health, burn fat, and develop mental toughness. But remember, it's important to balance intensity with rest to avoid injury. Stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at the results. If you're ready to take on the 100 burpee challenge, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.